Hi, fourth grade. So, yesterday with Miss Elevert, you guys learned that even though characters act or say certain things over and over and over again, sometimes they'll say or do something that surprises you, right? And it doesn't necessarily fit with the pattern that you had in your mind before, right? So, yesterday with Miss Elevert, you were thinking about these things, right? You were reading Tiger Rising and you were thinking, does Rob or Sistine continue to behave in the way I thought they would behave? Is Rob constantly timid? Is Sistine still rude and bossy? Or does something happen that doesn't quite fit those traits? And if it does, why do you think they're acting that way? So we originally thought Rob was timid, and then we started to read chapter 6, and what did he do? He stood up for Sistine. He was not timid at all, right? She was getting bullied and he stood up for her. That doesn't fit our pattern of him being timid all the time. So I have to ask myself, why might he act that way? So I'm thinking Rob might act that way because maybe he thinks that he has a connection with Sistine. Maybe he wants to be her friend, okay? Maybe he wants to save her because she's a little bit like him. Then I had you guys look at Sistine. We originally thought Sistine was bossy and rude. So as we continue to read Tiger Rising, we're thinking, does she say or do something that doesn't seem bossy or rude? And then here I had you guys read chapter 7, right? And in chapter 7, she offers to bring Rob his homework. That is not bossy or rude, is it? She is kind of being kind, right? And friendly. And she's doing something really nice for him. So we might have to ask ourselves, why? Why do you think Sistine is now acting kind to Rob? So I know yesterday for your independent work, you did this in your independent reading book. So as you're reading your independent reading book, you were supposed to look for patterns for your main character and come up with a trait. Then I wanted you to think about why they might act that way. But as you're reading more and getting deeper into your books, you're going to start to notice that sometimes your character is not the way you thought they were. And then you'll have to ask yourself why again. Why are they acting different here? So today, you're going to read for 20 minutes. And when you're done, you're going to continue jotting on post its. Did something else happen in your book that surprised you? Or did something happen that fit the original pattern? Remember, your notebook page with the title here of your independent reading book can be full of post its with character traits, character changes, things that surprised you about the character. So today, all you're doing is you're reading for 20 minutes and you're continuing to practice this strategy. Okay? All right. I hope you guys have fun with it. And I will see you guys on Thursday and Friday. Have a good day. Bye.